Hello everyone, hope you all are enjoying your good health. Today we are going to study chapter 1 in geography, India's size and location. So here we are going to cover the following topic: location, size, India and the world, and India's neighboring countries. The location of India. So where does India lies? Children, India lies in the northern hemisphere. So how do we come to know it lies in the northern hemisphere? Let us see the direction first. This is your east, this is west, north and south. Generally we make like this direction: east, west, north and south. So here is your south pole and here is your north pole. So how we have categorized that India lies in the northern pole? Because this equator, we all know equator, its measurement is 0 degree. Equator lies below India. It means equator lies below India and India comes under the northern hemisphere. So we can say India lies in northern hemisphere. So this is the location of India. Further, we should know that one of the latitude passes from India and divides it into the equal part. Which latitude is that? And that is, this one is Tropic of Cancer. This is very important question. Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minute north. This Tropic of Cancer passes from India and divides into two equal parts. So in this way we have seen that the location of India is in northern hemisphere, and one of the latitude that is Tropic of Cancer passes from India and divides into two equal parts. These 2 points are very important to remember. If anyone asks you that where does India lies, then India lies, first of all you will say India lies in the northern hemisphere of the world, and Tropic of Cancer passes from India and divides it into two equal parts. So this is about the location. Where does it locate? Do you know the southernmost point of Indian Union, Indira Point, got submerged under the sea water in year 2004 during the tsunami? Children, as we all know that India lies in the northern hemisphere. So we should know that in northern hemisphere between which longitude and latitude it lies. So let us see that towards the extension in between two latitude, first it covers or extends from 37 degree 6 minute in north, and then another latitude it covers is 8 degree 4 minute. Now towards the latitude, extension between two latitude. The extension between two latitude is 68 degree 7 minute east and 98 degree 25 minutes in east. So this is the coverage of longitude and latitude distance of India. Now we know that there is a line which divides India into two equal parts. Which line is that? That is Tropic of Cancer. And its lies 23 degree 30 minutes. Now this is about the extension. Let us see some area which passes from the coastal area of India. Means some part of land mass which is covered by India, that distance we can see. And if we talk about towards the east side, we have Andaman Nicobar Island, and towards the east side we have Lakshadweep. So here the distance covered by the coastal area, means the coastal area distance is 15,200 kilometer. It means India covers the coastal land about 15,200 kilometer towards the Andaman and Nicobar area or coastal line. Now next is towards the Lakshadweep side. If we say, it covers about 7,516.6 kilometer, the coastal area of India. Now children, one important question is there, that sometimes it is being asked that tell the name of places from where the Tropic of Cancer used to pass. So the Tropic of Cancer used to passes from Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Mizoram and Tripura. This is very important point to remember. Now we have covered the area which is being covered towards the side of coastal area, and we have seen how longitude and latitude is being covered. Now next, the length and the breadth of India. Let us see the length and the breadth from north to south. What is the distance? This is about 3,214 kilometer, and it is assumed as a length of India. It means length of India is about 3,214 kilometer. Alright, in the same way, breadth. This breadth of India is, breadth is equal to 2,933 kilometer. So this is the landmass area which we have seen about India. Children, let's enhance our map skill. Which state has the largest coastal area? That is Gujarat. Let us see the size of India. So if we talk about the size of India, the complete land mass of India, this complete land mass means the part of land of India is, that is land mass is equal to 3.28 million square kilometer. Now if we talk about the complete percentage of the land mass area of geographical area in the world, that is 2.4% of complete geographical area. So India covers 3.28 million square kilometer and 2.4% of complete geographical area. And after covering this area, India becomes the 7th largest country in the world. 7th largest land mass area in the world. So this is the scene of India's size. Let's see some neighboring countries of India. First, towards the south, it is Sri Lanka. Then east, it is Myanmar. And then here is China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Pakistan. So these are the neighboring countries. Along with this, we have three-sided covered with water. Our country is covered with three-sided of water. That's why sometimes it is called as peninsular. So let us see what comes towards the west side. Here is Arabian Sea. which is the sea route. It is the sea route for all the European countries. Hence, it is being linked abroad so nicely with the help of this sea route. Now, towards the east side, we have Bay of Bengal. And bottom towards the south, we have Indian Ocean. Now children, here one thing we need to understand, the Sri Lanka and India is separated with the small or a narrow channel zone, and that is called as Palk Strait. It is a narrow strip of water. With the help of that, these two countries used to connect. Alright, so these are the features of neighboring country of India. Let us understand Indian Standard Time. So, the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh in east as compared to the Gujarat in the west. But the time shows the same in all watches. How does this happen, or how it is possible? So, it is possible because the standard meridian of time passes from Mirzapur, which is in Uttar Pradesh, and then from here it is being decided that the time for whole nation or the country will be common or standardized. So that's why it is being assumed as Mirzapur as a IST zone for India, means Indian Standard Time zone is being decided from Mirzapur because standard meridian passes from it. To maintain the common time or the same time in the different place at the same time is to be maintained by this process. That's why IST is being taken Mirzapur. Let us see India in the world. So, as we know, India covers the largest coastal area comparison to the other countries. It means it has the largest coastal area, means connected with the sea route. So when we talk about it has largest coastal area, it means it gets connected easily with the all European countries and other Asian countries and African countries for the trading. So it is the greatest benefit of India to be the part of Central Asia. So India is also called as the subcontinent. India is the subcontinent of Asia, and it has a great benefit of its feature or the location and the size. How? Because it extends the trading and exchanging of ideas. We have seen in the past history and all that idea of Upanishad, Ramayana, Mahabharata, all is being influenced to the other part of the country. Also, we have seen the idea of textile industry like chintz and other products of the Indian textile that is being migrated from here to other part. And also we have seen during the colonial ruling how this spices went from one place to another. The trading of spices took place, and then gradually the trading of textile industries took place in India. So this is the greatest advantage of India of being in the Central Asia. Do you know, children, since the opening of the Suez Canal in year 1869, India's distance from European country has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. Let us do the wrap up of the chapter with some map skill and updates. Children, do you know after amendment of Article 370, Jammu Kashmir is being divided into 2 union territories, and now the total number of states are 28 and union territories are 9. So this is the latest update that there are 28 states now because one state is being converted into 2 union territories, that is Jammu Kashmir and Leh separately after amendment of Article 370. Now this is the update. Now towards the map skill, let us talk about, as we have discussed, that standard meridian time, from where and in which place it is being decided in India. So it is being decided in Mirzapur. And where does it locate? It might be asked in that map skill that locate the place where Indian Standard Time is being decided or located. It is Mirzapur, and Mirzapur is in Uttar Pradesh. Now next question comes, tell the name of latitude which passes from India and divides into the two part equally. That is your Tropic of Cancer, and you have to show equally in a proper manner like this, Tropic of Cancer. Some other questions might be asked like that, locate any 2 or 3 neighboring countries of India. So it is very easy for you. You can locate Nepal. Map will be provided to you. You can locate Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Pakistan. So any 2, 3, or if you know all, that also can be done. So other map skill question will be based upon like what is the length or breadth of India. Length and breadth of India, that you have to locate in map. Length and breadth. Length covers the distance from north to south 3214 km, whereas breadth covers the distance 2933 km. It's time to do chapter checkup. India is located in which hemisphere? Northern, southern, both A and B, or none of these? The latitude that divides India in almost two halves is Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, or Equator. India does not share boundaries with which of the following countries? Myanmar, Pakistan, Bangladesh, or Sri Lanka? Dear children, answer all these questions in the comment and waiting for your answer. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe the video.